Now we are jumping into the keyword analysis. Every seller on Amazon knows of multiple different keyword research tools, but all they do is give you keywords. Now, what if we want to go deeper? Like, what is the predominant keyword category that people are typing in? What sub-niches of keywords are there? Well, this is where Shulex VOC's keyword analysis kind of does that for you. You enter in a keyword such as face serum, you go ahead, select the marketplace, what time period you want it to analyze the keywords on, click search. And you can do this on Amazon or Google. I'm doing it on Amazon here. So it's going to do a search for all of the keywords that contain face serum. As you can see, keywords filter, where you can enter in some filtering criteria. I've got minimum search volume 3,000 pre-selected. And then if I'm happy with these 1,834 keywords related to face serum, I can go ahead and analyze those keywords, and it's going to create a report. You know, Shulex VOC is known for creating reports and making it more easy to understand and analyze. And that report is going to look something like this, right? This is one of the newer features released. Many upgrades coming to it over the next couple of months. Got attribute classification. How dominated is the keyword search volume in terms of brand, right? This one is actually highly dominated, but you still have a lot of usage ones too. So I'd say it's 30%, around 30% brand dominated here. You have an AI summary, word frequency. There's 946 words to do with usage for firming, for brightening, for dark spot, for treatment, for anti-aging. There's 14 different keywords, and then you can see the search volume over here. And if you want to have a look at those keywords, you can actually click on here and you can see, okay, we've got misspellings, skincare serum, a lot of Spanish keywords in here, many pages to take a look at, okay? What about the user? Women over 70, right? Youth, Asian, men. All keywords are being typed in for men. Facial serum for men, men face serum for men, right? And we get the keyword search volume and a lot of other details here. Okay, so we can find that out from here. If we scroll down, we can also see a keyword cloud. So serum is the most used keyword amongst all of these, followed by vitamin, face, skin. That's what a keyword cloud is for. Whatever is bigger, that keyword is being used more, right? Down here, we can see more keyword details and just pages of keywords there. Help you understand how to categorize this niche in terms of keyword searches. Go ahead, jump in, test this out, mess around with it. Yep, that's it. This is the keyword analysis feature in Shulex VOC.